Hi pros, my name is Andrew Koster and this is the Pit Boss Pro Series Combo. Today we're going to be going through this grill, checking out all of its awesome features, all while creating some awesome food. The Pit Boss Pro Series Combo allows customers ultimate versatility by combining wood pellet performance with that of a traditional gas grill, including the 8-in-1 versatility that comes with all of our Pit Boss wood pellet grills. Grill, smoke, braise, barbecue, bake, char grill, roast, and sear using our patented sliding flame broiler. Today on the Pro Series Combo, we're going to be cooking some brisket and ribs on the pellet side. We're using Pro Series spices on both, including the beef and brisket rub on our brisket and the sweet rib rub on our ribs. On the gas side, we have burgers, steak, and corn, all being prepped using our Pit Boss Pro Series spices. The Pro Series Combo comes standard with a quality folding front shelf, a smoke chamber lever to transfer that great wood fire flavor to both sides of the grill, and a bonus gas side burner. Alright guys, now that we're cooking, let's go ahead and check out our features of the Pro Series and how we can leverage them for the best cook possible. First off, we're gonna go ahead and get our cast iron on our side burner here for reverse searing that flank steak that we have going on the gas side. We're optimizing the gas side right now using our smoke lever to bring wood-fired smoke on that flank steak before we get a nice reverse sear going. Also, we're using that to get this nice smoke on these burgers that we're doing currently. You're not gonna be able to get this on any other pellet grill on the market right now. Along with that, we're getting some wood fire on that corn, as well as getting the nice cook going with the gas. On the pellet side here, we have our ribs and brisket. And with the two probes that come standard with the Pro Series Combo, we're gonna go ahead and check our internal temps. They'll go ahead and just slide through the sidewall of the grill. And we're gonna just poke them right into the center of the meat to make sure that we get the actual temperature. Now let's go ahead and use our Pro Series spatula to get that steak over on the cast iron on our side burner here. Since we were able to get quite a bit of smoke to our steak a little bit ago, we got that all nice and sealed in by searing it on the cast iron. We'll just give it a couple minutes each side. We'll seal all those juices in and give us a great steak. Alright guys, thanks for taking the time to check out the Pit Boss Pro Series Combo with us, the newest addition to the Pro Series line available exclusively at Lowe's.